You've probably seen the headlines. AI is replacing programmers, coding is dead, why learn JavaScript when ChatGPT can just do it for you? Yeah, alright. And I guess we should also stop learning math too, right? Because calculators exist after all, right? But we didn't. So let's talk about it. If you're new to coding in 2025, it's natural to wonder, should I even bother going deep? Should I spend weeks learning how to write a backend service when AI can just spit it out in 10 seconds? Do I really need to know how the engine works, or is it enough to just drive the car? Well, let me paint you a picture. Imagine two people in the desert, both have a sports car, one knows how to fix it, the other doesn't even know how to open the hood. Now guess which one's getting out of the desert? AI is the car, it's powerful, and it can take you to places fast. But when it breaks, or when you need to customize it, if you don't understand how it works, you are stuck. The person who learns to code deeply, they are the one with the tools, not just the shiny gadgets. Now here's the ironic twist. AI hasn't replaced programmers, it's supercharged them. You can now build a polished web app, a cool mobile interface, your backend server, marketing assets, and even get AI to watch your logs for security issues. One skilled coder plus AI right now is equal to the power of an entire startup team, at least that of an early stage startup team. So instead of needing 10 engineers, you can ship a product solo and maybe even start a business for less than $5,000. I'm not kidding. Look, entry-level jobs are getting squeezed and they're getting a little complicated, but companies don't need as many junior devs to do boilerplate stuff. But here's the thing, you don't want to be the copy-paste dev that an AI can replace. You want to be the problem solver, the debugger, the one who knows what to do when the AI gets it wrong. And trust me, it does get things wrong. Remember that depth is equal to resilience. And right now, the people panicking the most, they are not the best in their field. They are the ones who never cared to go deep in the first place. So should you still learn to code deeply in 2025? Well, absolutely. Especially if you want to build cool stuff, be independent, or survive in a world where the average is getting automated. Think of AI as a jetpack. If you know how to fly, it will take you to insane heights. But if you don't, you will just crash loudly, probably into an error log. So learn to code deeply, not because you have to, but because it puts you in control. Because when you understand the system, you can bend it, shape it, break it, and rebuild it into something incredible. Coding isn't dead, it's just evolved. And the ones who get that, they're not afraid of AI, they are building with it.